Din hija Melanie Martins, blogger tal-ivvjaġġar mill-Portugal li minn meta ġiet tgħix Malta 4 snin ilu ispirat ruħha biex tibdel triqitha kemm xejn u minflok tikteb fil-qosor dwar il-vjaġġi tagħha toħloq storja għalina kollha. Iżda l-mod kif se twassalulna se jkun ftit differenti. Melanie għażlet li tippubblika l-ewwel rumanz tagħha bil-proċess magħruf bħala self-publishing fejn l-awtur jieħu ħsieb il-ħlas tal-pubblikazzjoni kollha mill-editjar sal-istampar finali. Proċess li għalkemm jirrikjedi investiment kbir irendi ferm aktar milli kieku l-ktieb kien ippubblikat minn kumpanija.
One of the things you have to take in account is you will need to hire your own editors, your own proofreaders, your copy editors, and you need to make sure that they are the best of the best. So that's one of the main differences, that you really need to take care of everything, the design of the cover, the formatting, all of that now is you paying, but of course at the end of the day the copy is 70%.
Għalkemm l-għan prinċipali tal-awtriċi huwa li tilħaq l-udjenza Maltija, ħasbet ukoll biex ir-rumanz ikun ippubblikat ukoll f'forma ta' e-book u jkun disponibbli mad-dinja kollha.
Because we are talking about international audience, English being the main language spoken in the world, I want to reach as many people as possible. And the e-book, it's so easy to do that. You just have to, it's just downloading it, no matter if you're from Indonesia, Pakistan, Singapore, China, you can actually get the book instantly.
L-awtriċi qalet li l-komunità ta' kittieba u qarrejja f'Malta kienu pronti joffru kull appoġġ li kellha bżonn waqt li kienet qed tikteb u tippubblika dan il-ktieb.
And I really had a lot of help. Women, for instance, that are editors or proofreaders, they start to tell me, Melanie, if you want, I can proofread your book. So it was actually reaching to people on a social media scale, let's say. And one of the things I love in Malta is the response and the support of the community. People are really eager to help. They're like, okay, let's go, let's see what we can do, what can we bring more to your book.
Ir-rumanz Blossom in Winter se joħroġ fil-ħwienet tal-kotba lokali fl-aħħar ta' Ottubru li ġej. Il-paġni tiegħu se jaħduna New York biex ngħixu l-istorja ta' Romeo u Ġuljetta f'xenarju kontemporanju. Stejjer dwar imħabba projbita hawn ħafna, iżda awturi madwar id-dinja jibqgħu jesperimentaw bihom u aħna l-qarrejja nibqgħu nilqawhom fuq l-ixkafef tagħna.
Because we want to believe that love wins always. We want to believe that even if someone goes to all the trouble, all the problems, all the obstacles, that at the end of the day there is some hope that even if everything tears them apart, they will end up together. And the reader, when they go through all the obstacles, all the problems, then at the end they're like, finally, or maybe not.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.